Hi everyone, welcome back to Hubbards Journey. Today we're in beautiful St. Thomas in the U.S. Virgin Islands. And we're starting our adventure by renting a car right here at the cruise terminal. We'll show you just how easy and affordable it is to explore this stunning island on your own. Alright, we just walked right outside the cruise port. We came out to the right, and right there's Budget. Literally right next to the ship. So we're going to head over there. We're going to go get our rental car. And we're going to drive around St. Thomas and check it out. Now, it's something that we just found out, and we probably should have known this. We've been here quite a bit, and they drive on the opposite side of the road than we do in the States. Even though they're a territory of the United States, they are the only territory or state in all of the United States that drives on the left side of the road. Isn't that crazy? Who would have ever guessed that? But we're doing that today. It's training for when we go to England. That's the way we gotta look at it. We're training before we go to England. All right, let's go with the Budget. We'll check this out. We'll see how this process goes, and we'll rock and roll. We got our car from the only rental agency in the port area, which is Budget, located right by the port. And let me tell you, the process was quick and simple. We filled out a little paperwork, showed our ID, and in no time we were ready to hit the road. No hassle, no stress, just pure island vibes. All right, we got the car, we're pulling out. We got a big day ahead of us.
It is weird driving here.
Yeah, we're driving on the left side of the road. Like I said, this is training for when we go to England. Now that we're on the road, let's check out some of the incredible beaches and lookout points that St. Thomas has to offer. From crystal clear waters to breathtaking views, this island has it all. We're taking you along as we make the most of our short period of time in port.
Closed off there. It wasn't closed off ever before.
They must be having a festival. Our first stop, Brewers Beach. Trying to go to all the local beaches that the tourists don't typically go to. Trying to find local places. Oh, this is a nice beach because if you wanna hang out, shade. You get these trees here. Nope, you see a crab. There's a crab on the beach up here. Let's get a zoom in on him. Oh, I love Brewers Beach, man. Brewers Beach is right next to the airport, right next to the university. It's got trees for shade. It's not overpacked. It's quiet. The water is pristine. It's a nice beach. It's free. And they have restrooms. So that is pretty cool. Everything you want at a beach, they have it here at Brewers Beach. So I just checked out the restrooms. They were nice and clean. They've got a food truck. We gotta see what this food truck's got on. Definitely would recommend this beach for sure. All right, let's see what's on this food truck. Boy, that ice is melting quick, huh? Do you need help?
No, I got thank you.
You got it?
Yeah.
So what are you selling today?
Only hot dog.
Hot dogs?
And drinks.
Hot dogs and drinks? Oh, look at, you got a full selection of beer right there.
Mm-hmm.
I chihuahua. I'll get you in trouble.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Well, that's Brewers Beach. We saw a crab. We saw some beautiful, beautiful, pristine water. Everything you want at a beach, they have it here at Brewers Beach. I'm beginning to think that Brewer Beach is a hot spot because I'm starting to see cars pull up. So we just got here early, and that's probably what's going on. But we'll find out. Maybe we'll drive by it on our way back. We're heading off to our next stop. All right, we are at Hull Bay. Hull Bay. Let's go check the water out over here. It looks pretty awesome. This is a beautiful beach. That's what this is. boat ramp. The Shack at Hulls Bay. And this is pretty cool. They got these restaurants. So. Nomad's Restaurant and Bar. What you got in there? We're gonna go with what's the least expensive?
The least expensive?
Yeah, I'm on a budget.
A Bud Light, a Coors Light.
What about an Ultra?
An Ultra, yeah.
Is that the same as a Bud Light? No.
They're really not expensive. They're $5.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Man.
They're not expensive. They're $5. You know, I'm on like they call a retirement budget.
You balling on a budget?
I'm on a retirement budget. All right.
The money is $4.
$4.
Check that out.
Are you kidding me? $4?
Coldest on this side of the bay.
Woo-hoo-hoo. We're gonna try that for $4. Let's do it. All right, we are at Drake's Seat, and it is an observation location, and that right there is Megan's Bay.
Look how beautiful blue that water is. It's crystal clear. You could see way out.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Amazing, right?
Yep. Definitely worth the drive. All right, we are at Coki Beach. Let's go check it out. No lifeguard on duty. Swim at your own risk. And it is packed. So we've been to a few beaches today, and this is crazy. So you got vendors walking up and down the beach. I mean, this beach is packed. I mean, the water looks nice, the waves look nice.
You want one?
And you got vendors up here. Vendors. But people everywhere. They do have restrooms, ice cream, vendors. That's Water Bay right over there. So Coki Beach, you do have to pay for parking. You might be able to find some free parking on the side of the road, but it's very difficult to find. And it's $5 parking. You gotta park down the road just a little bit. There's a Sapphire Beach bar right there. We'll go check that out maybe. Sapphire Beach. We're gonna go check it out. Oh, we got the resort side and we got the public side. This is like a James Bond thing right here. Show you fish and coral reef, sea turtles. Do not touch the coral. All right, where are we heading, kids? Inside? Check out the menu. The views are amazing from here. So they don't accept tap or Google Pay, no Discover card. They will do Visa, minimum charge $15 in order to use your credit card. We got taxis all lined up.
Next, we're off to Muller Bay Beach.
It's a nice little quiet area right here. On the other side is actually the Red Hook area where the ferry is coming in and out. That's where we're parked, right there. I'm gonna walk over here on the other side, see what's going on over here.
And on this side of the street, we have Turquoise Bay. Beautiful little beach and a few hotels. Next, we're off to Secret Harbor Beach.
Let's go check out this Secret. Restaurants to the right, beach to the left. Nice little hangout. Secret Beach.
They made our car arrangements. They did everything. Well, it's nice to know that.
Let's go check it out. Hey, what's happening, man? Oh, so they got a nice little beach here. With a store, ATM and a store. On the other side over there is the resort. Secret Beach Resort. And then on this side is the public beach. It looks like they got some scuba diving going on here too. Cool. We showed you quite a few beaches and lookout points, but we didn't show you Magens Bay Beach.
Although we didn't visit Magens Bay Beach on this trip, we'd have some beautiful footage from our previous visit that we'd love to share with you. Magens Bay is renowned for its pristine sand and calm turquoise waters, making it an ideal spot for swimming and relaxation. The beach is well maintained, offering amenities like restrooms, showers, and a snack bar for your convenience. There's a small entrance fee to enter, $7 per person for non-residents, while children under the age of 12 can enter for free. If you're looking for that postcard-worthy beach day in St. Thomas, Magens Bay is definitely the spot. It's probably our favorite beach on St. Thomas.
Look at Kmart, man. They're in business. Kmart's in business in St. Thomas. Unfortunately, it's time for us to head back to the Carnival Dream. Right there's budget. Right here's the cruise ship. We're gonna walk right through that gate. Easy walk, maybe a 1 minute, 2 minute walk. It was a long day, but it was fun. Great day. Thank you for joining us on this quick, unforgettable adventure. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and come along on the next part of our journey.